Alright, so in this video, we are going to look at the Asia session. We're also going to look what London did, and then we are going to enter in our New York session. So what we are going to look for, if this is our Asia, and during London we swept the Asia highs, we are going to wait for New York to have a reversal for the continuation move down, and vice versa. If we sweep our Asia lows during London, we are going to wait for New York for the reversal to continue up. Now, how are we going to find these entries? So basically what we are going to look for, we want, as soon as we have our Asia and London has taken our Asia highs, for example, New York has started, we want to literally wait for the first fair value gap to form, and then we are going to enter straight away, and then we are going to take our trade all the way down. So stops is going to be a little bit above or below the highs and lows, and we're going to target a break even trade at 1.1, and we are going to take a 1.5 risk to reward trade as our TP. So let's get straight to the charts, and then I'm going to show you how this looks. All right, so the first thing you want to do, you want to go to indicators, you want to go to price action toolkit. From flux chart, you want to add this to your chart, and then you want to add your fair value gaps, these settings right over here, and you want to add your London, New York, and Asia settings. A link is in the description. Go check out Flux Charts. This is a paid indicator. Leave a like and subscribe if you like this content and want more like this. So let's get straight to the video. The yellow is the Asia, the blue is the London. So as you can see, London has taken our Asia highs right over here. Now we're waiting for New York to start, and we want a bearish fair value gap to form to take the continuation down. This fair value gap needs to happen during New York. So we're getting bullish fair value gaps. No, not bearish. There we have our first bearish fair value gap. So you can enter literally straight away on the close of the third candle that created this fair value gap, and you can target just above these highs. You can see London high and this high is really close to each other, so you can put your stops above this London high right over here, and you can target a 1.1 as a break even, and then as soon as we get break even, we want to go for a 1.5. Here you can see we have our break even, and then we're going to target a fixed 1.5 risk to reward trade, and there you can see nice winning trade on this day right over here. Let's look at another example. All right, so here you can see we clearly had our Asia session, huge push inside the London, and now we're waiting for a reversal where we have a bearish fair value gap forming inside of New York session. There's our very first fair value gap that has formed inside of New York session. So you're going to enter your trade straight away from the third candle. Again, London highs is really close to these highs. So to be safe, you can put your stop loss above here. If the highs or to lows are too far, then you can put it just below the most recent high or low. And then we're going to target a 1.1 risk to reward trade for a break even. As soon as we get break even, we're going to move our TP to a 1.5. As you can see, 1.5 immediately smashed right over there, and we had a break even trade, and this one candle literally at New York open literally just smashed through our TP. So this fair value gap can form as soon as New York starts, just before the physically New York open. All right, let's look at one more example. All right, so here you can see this was how Asia, London, nothing happened during London. So for me, this won't be a trading day as of we didn't have a sweep of the lows or the highs during London session. But let's play price out and see what happened. All right, so here you can see again, so this is a tricky one. We had a Asia sweep in London right over here, and we had an Asia sweep London. So let's see what happens. Again, this is a no trading day. You only want one side to be taken. So let's play price forward and see what happens. As you can see, New York was really choppy on this day. So let's just fast forward a little bit and wait for price to start on the new day. There we go. So new day, we have our Asia. London has taken our lows of Asia, and now New York has started. Immediately during New York, we have this fair value gap right over here. So on the close of the third candle, stops just below these lows. Then we target a 1.1 as a break even trade, and then a 1.5 as soon as we are break even. Let's see what happens. There we have our break even right over there. Let's target a 1.5. We are currently break even. Let's see if we get our TP. And as you can see, we smashed through our TP during New York. Nice and easy strategy. If you like this content, please leave a like and subscribe. Go check out Flux Charts. Link is in the description. And then we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.